Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Messenger for iOS and Android. Let's begin. So here we are. So in case that you're using an iOS version, don't worry, it's still the same process. You would have to go into your App Store instead of Play Store. If you're in Android, go into Play Store just like mine. And then from here, you want to go search for Messenger. And same when you are in the App Store in iOS, you need to search for Messenger, and all you have to do is download it and it will automatically install. It's very quick depending on your internet speed, and as you can see, mine is already finished downloading and it's now installing, and it's now finished installing right here. So now I can open my Messenger app, and just like that I can tap here on open, and now all I have to do left is to put my Facebook login credentials in order for me to log in into my Facebook account here in Messenger. And that's basically it for this video. That is how easy it is. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.